I get home, and there's our cute baby Will, and I see all this toilet paper strewn about. Somebody discovered toilet paper. Look at my bathroom. Look at my bathroom. It was a toilet paper bonanza. Will, were you a bad boy? Were you a bad boy? You were a bad boy. You're not supposed to touch the toilet paper. You're not supposed to touch the toilet paper. Were you bad? Were you bad? I think you were bad. Hey, really? This mess? Good job, buddy. Good job.